Hello everyone, we are going to start a series for history and if you are preparing for any competitive examination or you are a student, this school students, this lecture gonna help you a lot. So let's focus on the history textbook first, that is the chapter 1, what, where, how and when. So these are some key words like manuscript, inscription, archaeology, decipherment. And what do you mean by decipherment? Decipherment is decoding. मतलब ये है कि मतलब अगर कोई एनिमल्स का साइन है तो क्या इंडिकेट करता है वो हम डेसिफरमेंट करके ही जान सकते हैं, लाइक डिकोड करके. And what are some important dates in it? Like the beginning of agriculture is 8,000 years ago. It varies from books to books, but if you will refer NCERT, then it is the beginning of agriculture in 8,000 years ago. The first cities on the Indus is 4,700 years ago. The first cities on the Ganga Valley, that is a big kingdom in Magadha, is 2500 years ago. The present is about 2000 AD or CE. Where did people live? People live in Narmada, that is in the middle of the map. If you locate, it's on the NCERT itself. Suleiman and Kritidhar hills in northwest, Garo hills in northeast, and Bindyas in central above Narmada. Bharata was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest and who are mentioned in the Rig Veda, the earliest composition of Sanskrit, about 3500 years ago. And what do you mean by manuscripts? There are something like manuscripts and inscription. What are the difference? Manu means it's a Latin word and it's derived from the Latin words, and the meaning is hand, usually written on the palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as birch, which grows in the Himalayas. But inscriptions were engraved either on the hard surface such as stone or metal. Many of these were written in Sanskrit, others were in Prakrit and Tamil. The beginning of agriculture is 8,000 years. It's an important thing you have to remember. Okay, Narmada Valley is for hunting and gathering, Magadha is for the first kingdom, Garo Hills is the early agriculture, Indus and its tributaries the first cities, Ganga Valley is cities about 2500 years ago. It's on the exercise, so you can solve this and it's also important for this chapter. So let's go to the MCQ part. So which rivers banks did the people live along in the ancient times? As we have read, Narmada is the middle, and where did people live? So the answer will be Narmada. Okay, तो नर्मदा ही होगा आंसर, क्योंकि वो हमने मैप में भी देखा था और अभी जो इम्पोर्टेंट मैं आपको बोली उसमें भी था. So नर्मदा. Then on which river's bank were the cities developed about 2500 years ago? अभी हमने पढ़ा कि गंगा वैली में मगध आता है, तो वो जो कि 2500 years ago बना है. So the answer will be Ganga itself. Okay. Then which city was established on the bank of Ganga? यही क्वेश्चन में ही हमने ये वाला आंसर भी कर दिया, क्योंकि गंगा का आंसर क्या होगा? मगध. सो हमने दो क्वेश्चन ऐसे कंजिक्यूटिवली कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ डिड मर्चेंट्स ट्रैवल? विथ कारवैन, शिप्स, बोथ ए एंड बी, नॉन ऑफ द. इट्स ये तो लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन है, हम ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. कारवैन्स और शिप्स बोथ में ट्रैवल करते हैं. आप अगर NCERT देखेंगे तो ये पूरा लाइन वाइज लिखा भी है. मर्चेंट्स एंड कारवैन्स एंड शिप्स में मर्चेंट्स ट्रैवल करते थे. सो इट्स अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस. देन फ्रॉम वेयर डिड द इरानियंस एंड द ग्रीक कम्स? सो आंसर होगा नॉर्थ वेस्ट. ये भी तुम देख सकते हो NCERT बुक्स में, वो लिखा है नॉर्थ वेस्ट है इरानियंस एंड ग्रीक. जो हमने मैप का एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है उसी पार्ट में देख सकते हो, उसी पैराग्राफ में ही लिखा है. सो नॉर्थ वेस्ट. Where were the manuscripts written? the manuscripts written on palm leaf. Where did the manuscripts keep safe? In temples and monasteries, in museum. तभी manuscripts museum में रखा नहीं जाता था. It's a logical answer that temples and monasteries. So the answer is temples and monasteries. Who are historian? Obviously these all are like a common answer. Who study past are called historians. How did people of Andaman Island get their food? By fishing, by hunting, by collecting the forest products and all of this. The answer will be all of this. Question number 10. What helps us to find out the records of hunters, fishing folks, etc.? Obviously, astrology is the science of stars and all. Biology is the science of animals and plants. So, all of this can't be the answer. Archaeology is the answer. Then when did agriculture start? पहले भी मैंने बताया था कि ये चैप्टर में 8000 years ago agriculture start, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. फिर in what ways was the ancient coin differ from the ones we use? Made of stones, made of baked clay, made of bones, all of this will be the answer, because stone, baked clay ये सब क्लासेस के अकॉर्डिंग डिवाइड होता था. कॉइन्स उसी अकॉर्डिंग, जैसे कॉमन पीपल हमेशा बेक्ड क्ले और बोन्स का कॉइन्स यूज़ करते थे, और जैसे हमारा अपर क्लास हो गया, वो सब कॉइन्स जो यूज़ करते थे वो मेड ऑफ स्टोन होता था यूजुअली. सो बाद में तो एक कॉमन करेंसी यूज़ हुआ, पर पहले ऐसा हुआ करता था. फिर इन व्हिच लैंग्वेज वर द मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट रिटन? तो हमने जब इम्पोर्टेंट पढ़ा था तो वहाँ पे हमने लिखा था संस्कृत, प्राकृत, तमिल, पर यहाँ पे जो ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है वो सिर्फ संस्कृत का है, बाकी का कुछ नहीं है. तो आंसर क्या होगा? संस्कृत. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस चैप्टर. इट विल हेल्प यू टू रीड द NCERT थॉरोली, बिकॉज हमने इम्पोर्टेंट पहले पढ़ दिया था. फिर अगर हम एक रीड आउट करेंगे तो हम और ज़्यादा अच्छे से पढ़ पाएंगे, ये सब क्वेश्चंस को दिमाग में रखते हुए. सो थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर videos. Then we'll cover all the chapters consequently. Thank you.